Oh my word, it's busy on the road. 5 o'clock? 5 to 5 on a Wednesday, so it shouldn't really be that busy, but you know, I'm driving to Southampton, which is probably about 20 minutes away from me on the motorway. I'm going over to my daughter's. She's going to do my nails for me. I've got a driving instructor's car in front of me, so I'm just sort of hanging back a little bit as to not frighten the pupil. Well, we've all been there, haven't we? Those of us that can drive. I think we should all be really patient to learner drivers, because I can remember being like people right at the back of me and stuff like that when I was learning to drive. Okay, let's get out now. Who's going to let me out? Anyone, I wonder. Oh, this one's going too. Oh, that's great. Thank you. Some nice considerate people around. Oh, those roses are beautiful there on the side of the road. I think it's going to rain again. It has been chucking it down on and off all day, although it's so muggy, horribly muggy. Right then guys, I'm going to talk to you later because I need to concentrate on my driving. So I've just started to do, well, I've been doing it for a little while, and just an ordinary vanilla sponge cake. I've put buttercream, just this one here, the Betty Crocker one. It was easier to do it that way. The Betty Crocker butter icing in between the chocolate and the vanilla. I've put holes in both layers of these. I'm going to fill with sweets, and then I'm going to put the other cake that I've made on the top, and then when you cut into it, the sweets all spill out. So I'm using Chris's favourite sweets. He really loves M&Ms, so I've got the different M&Ms. Right guys, so here we are. This is the cake that I have now finished. It's got everything on here. I've got 4 different flavours of buttercream on here. I've got chocolate fudge, chocolate, vanilla and buttercream. And then I've done the icing for the top. And then around here, I mean, this is just full of Chris's favourite sweets. So I've got some toffee feel on here, all the way around the bottom here. I've got those little jazzy things, they're his favourite. And then on the top, I have got white Twix, flakes, ripple, crunchies, and the little jazzies, and the toffee, and then I have sprayed with a little bit of edible glitter just here and there. So just gonna turn the cake around if I can. It's so heavy. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do on the day is to put the candle on and the centerpiece, but I shan't do that until the day. And there we go, voila. Just got to put the canopy on the top of the gazebo now. Right then guys, As you know, it's our birthday, or well, you may not know, but it's our birthday tomorrow. Chris and I share the same birthday, and Chris is going to be 70. So I've managed to put 70 presents together for him. So just set it all out on the table. There we go. So it's like a bit of a lucky day. So Chris is just going to start opening some of his presents.
This is number one.
Yeah, this is number one.
It's a Virgin Experience Day. A one-night luxury camping cabin experience for two.
One of those like log cabin things.
Oh right.
In Glastonbury.
Oh wow.
And Chris is so difficult to buy for because there's nothing he wants, there's nothing he needs, but he likes this sort of thing.
Another one.
Which one's this one?
Oh, traditional tea in a castle for two.
So there's 3 different castles
Yeah.
that we could choose to go to.
Oh my god, another one. God, you must have really thought about this.
I have thought about it a lot.
A Spa Valley Rail. Oh, lovely.
Steam train
Yeah.
one. So with this one,
Oh, I haven't paid for any wines, you keep using the vouchers.
with this one,
Yeah.
we go, can't remember where we get the train from, can't remember right now, but it's a steam train and it takes us all wherever it is anyway, and then you get off at some point, you go to this hotel to have afternoon tea, and then you go back to the train.
Oh, lovely. Oh, it's free. Look at that.
And there's that one.
Oh, maybe 4. I don't know. Oh.
You said you'd never been to Guernsey, didn't you?
Yeah.
So I've done us a day trip to Guernsey.
Do you go over there? Is it a foot passage or do you take your car?
No, we go to Poole
Yeah.
to catch the ferry, and then we go over to Guernsey.
Yeah,
and then
with your car or
no,
foot passage?
I'm not sure. I think you go. I can't remember actually. But I think you go as a foot passenger, but I can't remember. And then you get, I don't know, maybe about 5 hours, something like that, in Guernsey.
Right.
And of course, Guernsey is tax-free
Yeah.
as well
To
buy things.
I might try and balance them up.
And then
Too
there's that one. Probably easier when you've opened it. I'll tell you about. Well, no, I'll point
A lot
out
of
because I've had to print this one out.
Yeah, oh,
so.
right. 2 people, a guided tour of the Dorset Nectar Cider Brewery with taste for 2 people. Each with them.
And then,
Lovely.
so I've already booked it. This one.
Oh right, okay. That's a day trip, isn't it?
So that's another day trip. So basically, we've got a lot to do, lots of places to go.
Oh, lovely, I love it.
Do you like those?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, I
so hard
do.
to buy for you, but I
I
thought you like.
Yeah.
He likes steam trains, he likes going on the water, he hasn't been to a Channel Island, so little taster to see if he thinks he's going to like it there. Maybe we'll go for a little holiday. And then we've got the cider farm, we've got the, what have I said, did I say the steam train already?
Steam train.
Yeah.
We've got glamping.
We've got the glamping in log cabin.
And tea in the castle.
In Glastonbury, and afternoon tea in the castle.
And of course, when we do these, we will make the most of the day.
It's like vintage cars and buses and stuff like that. card. Look at that shape, girls. I know what it is now. Lulu Guinness. If you've been watching me for a while, you know just how much I love my Lulu Guinness bag. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, it's lovely. Look at that. And then inside I've got the dust cover. My dust cover. So inside you've got all the Lulu Guinness lining with Lulu Guinness printed on it. And then in here you've got, it's really quite roomy there, look. And then you've got a pocket on the inside wall, which comes with the Lulu Guinness care instructions. So you've got a pocket there, and then you've got a leather zip pocket here. I'll take that off, and it's got like the leather pull on it here. And then at the back, and then it's just snap fastening like that. I mean, her bag's just closed so easily. And then on the back I've got another really roomy, easy to get into pocket there.
Ideal for your mobile phone.
Ideal for your mobile phone, yeah. Oh, the handle's beautiful. So you've got the leather bit here on the top of your shoulder, because a lot of bags that have the chain handles, it's just the chain on the top. That really cuts into your shoulder. But with this one, it's a lovely length. Sides, you've got a bit there, and you've got another bit there. So you've got almost like a senorita clasp. If I was to take that end and pop it through there, like that, let that fall down, that becomes shorter. Take the chain underneath the bag. This is what I mean with her bags, they're ingenious, honestly. Is I've taken the chain like that, and now I've got a proper handheld handbag, sort of very Jackie O style bag. Oh, it's beautiful. The colour is an all year round colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like almost like a lavender grey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely.
Well, if it's like that, will it still open and allow you to get inside? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Oh, I just got Chris. They're huge. Look, they're massive. Oh my god, I love them. Can you see them all?
Yeah, yeah. I'll come in. I'm just going to do like a sort of scan across the flowers.
They're beautiful. They're so heavy. They're huge. Gifts. So I've got my beautiful Lulu Guinness bag. Couple of cards so far, but it's very early in the morning, and this massive bouquet, a huge bouquet, as you can see, absolutely weighs something, has just been delivered from Chris. I've yet to open my card. And there's my card. It's your day, all my love, Chris. Massive bouquet, honestly. It's huge, it's beautiful. So I'm just popping it in a bucket of water for now. And I need to sort out some of my vases. Happy birthday, thank you, kiss. I honestly cannot believe how big this bouquet is that Chris has sent me. It's enormous. It really is. It's got gerberas, lilies, carnations, all sorts of things in here that I absolutely love. The colours are beautiful. But, I mean, look, how beautiful is this gerbera? Look at that. Oh, I just absolutely love gerberas. Irises. I mean, it's humongous. It's the biggest bouquet I've ever had. I'm so lucky.